What's happening, everyone? So today we are on the way to go and fit a few bits to the EP3. We've got some bad boy coilovers to go on it. We've got some new alloys, going to do an oil and filter change as well. And yeah, I've got a few other bits, don't know if I'm going to get them done today, but the plan is to do the oil and filter, get the coilovers on, and swap some tyres over onto these other alloys and get them on as well today. So yeah, stay tuned, catch you in a bit, and I'll show you what we got. Kev boy! Kev's just in here tightening up the rear shock. I think they've literally just fitted the coilover this side. Mike's down here just fucking doing his bit as well. I've had it well easy. These boys have sorted me right out today, so it's all good. Cool. I don't know if you can see, we've gone for the Yellowspeed. They're fully adjustable. They look proper good, I'm not going to lie. I'm proper excited to get out on the road and see what they perform like. So yeah, stay with us, guys. Front ones are on, guys, so that's all good. Everything's going well, nice and smooth today. So yeah, fingers crossed it keeps going this way. They're fully adjustable up here too, so it's all groovy. Look at my dirty yellow breather pipe, it's grim. It's all been going nice and smooth, but I don't know if you can see, I'm fucking broken up, so I think we're gonna have to grind or hacksaw it off. And then yeah, everything else is pretty much on, so it's just that one. We always have one fucking problem, so there we go. It's just there, I don't know if you can see it, we just sheared it, so we're gonna have to get the grinder on this side and try and tap it out. So other than that, it's all pretty smooth. That side's in, all the fronts are on to get this done, and yeah, we're getting there. I definitely spoke way too soon. I've got Adam hacksawing this down because Mike don't own any electric fucking grinders or anything like that, so yeah, it's graft. So if any of you guessed it on my Instagram, it was the Evo enkeis. Mate, they just look so good on the EP3s in my opinion. You've got that wider sort of stretch look on this as well. It's 8, I think they're 8J as well, so it's just more presence on the road as well. They just look the absolute bollocks in my opinion.
It just felt really awkward, didn't it? Because me and Andrew I hated it. And you've got to talk.
Hi everyone.
You have to pretend, didn't you, when you're doing it, that someone's actually in front of you.
I know, it's true, isn't it?
It's like this, I'm standing there like, example, well I've said this. Fucking awkward.
Come on, Kev, can we push it a bit harder, mate? Yeah, fucking hell.
What?
So we're all on?
Fuck it, throw the towel.
They're all on. We've got the front ones on. The rears are on. We're looking good, boys. We're looking good.
The best toy in the world. Got it.
I'll tell you what, the weight of them ones is unreal, isn't it? Do you feel them, Kev?
Now fucking heavy.
Heavy, heavy. So I did fuck up a little bit. I've brought the wrong wheel nuts, but we've put them on for the time being. I haven't got the spigots on either, so it's going to be one of them ones. Can't go too mad on it because it's not going to be too safe, but gonna get it outside, get some cinematics, and yeah, you guys have to let me know what you think of it, so I'm well excited.
When you dream, do you see beautiful rays of light shimmering, guiding you through the night? I know it feels like the night's getting longer and light is harder to find. I promise I'll always be there, I'll remind you when you close your eyes. If they set for me tomorrow, even if I leave right now, you'll find comfort there in knowing whenever in doubt, you can find me when the lights turn out. When the lights turn out.
Yo, what's happening everyone? So, the coilovers are on, the new wheels are on. I had some upgraded brake lines, but we didn't get them done, but everything's on. It's driving alright. I mean, I can't push it at the minute because I've ordered the wrong fucking wheel nuts. So for these Evo 8 enkeis, I think that's how you say it, enkeis, I'm not 100% sure, but don't judge me. But basically got to have lug nuts, and I've ordered the ones, but they're not the right ones. So basically I need a bit more of a sleeve on them, so they're not fully in properly. So I'm not going to push the car, I'm just going to literally get it home, stay at a steady speed, not going to go really over 50, so I'm not going to really know what the coilovers are like, but at the moment it feels alright. Don't feel too hard, don't feel too soft, it feels like relatively, we set it up so it's like firm sort of thing, but yeah, so far so good. So yeah, wait for them new wheel nuts to turn up. Got to get the spigots as well, so we put them on without the spigots. But oh, pardon me. But yeah, we'll add them later on. But yeah, it's been a productive day. It's been pretty decent, to be fair. I mean, the alloys are black. I'm not 100% sure if I'm going to keep them black, but that's something we're going to do later on as well. So yeah, we'll get to that, and then yeah. Shout out to Kev, Mike, and Adam who give us a hand today. So yeah, hope you liked the video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to hit that like, subscribe and share it, whatever you want to do. But yeah, appreciate the support guys. Catch you in the next one. Take care. Going over a certain mile an hour at the moment. I mean, I know the lug nuts on the alloys ain't what they're supposed to be. I ain't got the spigots in. The tracking's probably out. Something's. Yeah, this ain't right. I just want to get home and park it up. Fuck driving this too much. It's hard to hear as well because obviously you've got the exhaust. I've got a fucking bag on the rear window, but it don't feel very stable.